Given the implicit function 2x squared y minus y cubed plus 1 equals x plus 2y, let us find its derivative, or let us find the derivative dy dx or y prime by performing implicit differentiation. So in implicit differentiation, we just differentiate each term of the given function separately. So for the first term here, we have 2x squared y. Then we are multiplying here two variables. So we're just going to perform the product rule. Since we have a constant here, we can just factor out 2 and then perform the product rule. So 2 times. So in performing the product rule, remember we copy the first factor, that's x squared, multiply it to the derivative of the second factor. The second factor is y, and its derivative is y prime, plus copy the second factor y, and multiply it to the derivative of the first factor, which is x squared, and that is 2x, minus, for the second term, y cubed. The derivative of y cubed is, using the power rule, that's 3y squared, y prime, and then the derivative of 1 is just 0. So we proceed to the right side, equals, the derivative of x with respect to x is 1, plus the derivative of 2y is 2y prime. So differentiation ends in that step. The rest of the process is done by using algebra so that we get y prime on one side and all the other terms on the other side. So here we first distribute 2. That gives us 2x squared y prime. And then distributing 2 here to the second term, that gives us 4xy minus 3y squared y prime equals 1 plus 2y prime. And then we group together all the terms containing y prime. So we're going to transfer this to the left side, and 4xy will be transferred to the right side. So we'll just copy 2x squared y prime, and the third term right there, 3y squared y prime, and this term right here, so minus 2y prime equals 1 from here, and we transfer 4xy to the right side, so that's minus 4xy. To be able to isolate y prime on the left side, we factor out y prime. Okay, this should be a prime right here. So factoring out y prime, we have 2x squared minus 3y squared minus 2. And on the right side, we have 1 minus 4xy. And so y prime, therefore, or our derivative of the given function, is 1 minus 4xy all over 2x squared minus 3y squared minus 2.